Welcome back to the channel. In this crypto news roundup, we're covering the biggest stories from March 25th to April 14th, 2025. And there's a lot to talk about. Let's start with the market shocker. On April 7th, Bitcoin plunged below $75,000 after President Trump announced sweeping new tariffs, including a 34% rate on imports from China. Bitcoin dropped by over 6% in 24 hours, with more than $1.2 billion in bullish positions liquidated across the market. The Wall Street Journal confirmed the sell-off was part of a broader global reaction, and Bitcoin had partially recovered to around $78,000 the next day, now on April 15th, trading about $84,000 per coin. In a major regulatory move, Reuters reported that President Trump signed a bill on April 10th nullifying an IRS rule that classified decentralized finance DeFi platforms as brokers. This law essentially relieves decentralized platforms from certain tax reporting requirements, marking a clear shift in U.S. crypto policy. On the institutional side, Crypto Briefing reported that Michael Saylor's company, Strategy, purchased another Bitcoins worth around $286 million between April 7th and 13th. This brings their total holdings to a staggering 531,644 Bitcoin. But not everything is bullish. CoinDesk shared that Bitcoin mining profitability fell 7.4% in March. The report, based on data from Jefferies, cites an 11% drop in BTC prices and lower transaction fees as the primary reasons. Finally, let's discuss the Mantra token collapse. On April 13th, OM plummeted from $6.30 to below 50 cents within hours, wiping out over 90% of its $6 billion market cap. The sell-off triggered more than $75 million in liquidations in futures positions, as reported by TradingView. Speculation arose about a potential rug pull, with critics pointing to suspicious token transfers and the project's controversial tokenomics. The Mantra team quickly addressed the concerns. Co-founder J.P. Mullen responded directly in the project's Telegram group, stating, "We are here and not going anywhere." He attributed the price collapse to reckless forced closures initiated by centralized exchanges rather than any wrongdoing by the team. Let's see what happens. That's it for today's digest. Let me know in the comments. Do you think the market is setting up for a major rally, or are more surprises around the corner? Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to stay updated with the latest in crypto.